Lost your key fob or just need to program a new one for your 2005 Chevy Silverado? Good news, it's a straightforward DIY process. The 2005 Silverado uses a radio frequency RF key fob system that you can pair yourself. This allows you to remotely lock, unlock, and activate the panic alarm. While newer vehicles use smartphone-based digital keys, your 2005 model relies on this simple RF system. Keep in mind that older RF systems are more vulnerable to hacking. For basic functionality, this DIY method is reliable, but consider professional help if your truck's body control module, BCM, is malfunctioning. You'll need your key and the new fob to get started. Let's get into it. Insert your key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. This activates the programming mode. Immediately press the lock button on your key fob. Hold it for a second or two. The truck should recognize the signal. If you have additional fobs to program, repeat this step within 10 to 15 seconds for each fob. The BCM can store up to 4 fobs. Once you've programmed all fobs, turn the ignition off to exit programming mode. Test each fob to ensure it's working correctly. If you run into issues, double-check each step. If problems persist, consult a professional, as BCM issues may require specialized attention.